So then we move on to the sacral chakra. And in sacral chakra, this is really between your pubic bone and your navel. So this lower belly area. In women, this is the situation of the womb. This is also where our sexual organs are. So sacral chakra is really related to things like passion, creativity, and sensuality. It vibrates orange in that traditional rainbow point of view, right? It vibrates orange. And when we think about sacral chakra, we're really thinking about that watery, creative energy. I always think of the tide on a beach when I think about sacral chakra, because sacral chakra is the epitome of flow. It's this ability to create and to release, to bring in new ideas and to let them go. And it also goes in the physical manifestation for life, right? Women create new life and then they birth them and release it from their body. And so sacral chakra is this really poignant area of creativity and also of manifestation. And then, of course, with our sexual organs and our sexual capacity, that sensuality is also located in sacral chakra and connected to that chakra. Its inherent right is to feel. So if we think about how root chakra's inherent right is to have, right, to have all of our needs met, sacral chakra's inherent right is to feel. And a lot of you may associate that more with heart chakra, right? We think of heart chakra as that really lovey-dovey chakra. But when we're talking about feeling, what we're talking about here is this tangible experience of life, of creation, of our ability to bring new things into the world, right? We're talking about feeling as our innate expression of creativity. So feeling as in that sensual feeling of connecting with our five senses, connecting with the world around us, and using them to bring in new ideas, new life, new manifestations, etc. And so coming back to that idea of our words being powerful, then we have this affirmation in sacral chakra of I create, I'm a sensual being and enjoy the pleasures of life. And this goes beyond just sexuality, right? This goes into, can we enjoy the experience of being a physical human being in this earth, on this plane? Because what we're really doing here is we're building up, right? We're stacking the blocks. And so in root chakra, we've taken care of our physical form. We've created this structure, those bare bones of a house that we've created in root chakra. And in sacral chakra, we get to decorate that house. We get to fill it out. We get to put in the furniture. We get to enjoy the experience of having a house. Or conversely, if root chakra is taking care of our physical body and worrying about getting its needs met and meeting those needs, then sacral chakra is about, now that my needs are met, I can enjoy the experience of having a body in all the various ways that that can be.